In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Minecraft in your PC. So first thing first, launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, simply type in download Minecraft. Then you will see download Minecraft and server software by Minecraft itself. Simply open that link and then you will get landed onto Minecraft's official website. Now hover your mouse onto games and then make sure that Minecraft is selected on your left hand side. Select Minecraft on your right and scroll below. Now you should know that Minecraft is a paid game, so if you'd like to download on Windows, Mac or Linux, you have to click on Buy Now. It will give you two versions, one is Deluxe Collection, another is Standard Edition. You can also download any one of them, but this is recommended as it shows best value. Now go ahead, click on Checkout. And likewise, first of all, you have to log in with your Microsoft account because Microsoft owns Minecraft. And once done, you may go ahead, pay the amount, and download Minecraft in your PC. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it.